Hello everyone. I'm very excited that I've finally got the China no name playable. There was a lot of block sanding of the neck involved. Several sessions. Had some low fret ends around the 6th and 1st here, and up by the 12th a couple. Yep, it was not good. But yeah, haven't got it. I would have liked to get it just maybe a teeny bit lower, just to actually bottom this sucker out. But it's close and it's pretty good. It's just good. It's not great. It's not bad. It's just good. This thing is just an absolute joy. But yeah, I mean, when I was going through all this, I was just thinking to myself the whole time, I could have bought this Suribus from West Creek and not had any playability issues. But, and I mean, they're silver and black I don't like. They're blue sparkle I don't like. I don't like the colors. I don't like the shape of the headstock. They did have a kind of a yellow metallic brown burst, which was okay. That's what I probably would have got if I'd have. But yeah, nothing like this. I mean, nothing like the Arrowhead, headstock, Gibson-esque Arrowhead headstock, and this is quilted maple top. Yellow kind of fades to orange to brown. It's got translucent dark brown back. So yeah, it's quite a bit. I mean, I just love the way this guitar looks. And it's kind of, I like flashy colors, but it's kind of cool to have kind of a traditional, good looking guitar too. But yeah, a lot of fun, a lot of fun, a lot of fun. Yeah, I have to be really careful. I want to play right here. That doesn't work very good. I have to, on these funny shaped ones, my Explorer by West Creek I have the same issue. I need to. Sounds a little better down there, doesn't it? And really nice to play on the end because I did a little fret filing on this and got the strings really close to the frets on the end here, so really fast, and there's no, like, you can really tell when your nut's not cut deep enough. That note will sound sour because as you pull down on the string, it'll make it out of tune. That sounds perfect. My latest riff I'm working on. with the microphone, and I've got some snails, so I can just walk all over the house and jam out. Oh, getting into the bridge again. There you go. There's the sound check. I didn't bore you with all the disappointing bad sound checks. Yeah, she's a beauty. You folks have yourself a wonderful evening, and I'll talk at you again later.